Have you ever wondered why two people of the exact same age can have completely different lives, where one struggles to get out of an armchair while the other glides up a flight of stairs like they are 30 years younger? It isn't good luck, and it isn't genetics. In fact, right now, there is an invisible timer ticking inside your body, quietly draining your balance, shrinking your leg muscles, and secretly setting you up for a sudden fall. But what if there was a simple, 3-minute movement you could do every single morning that pauses that timer instantly? A hidden exercise so powerful, doctors call it the ultimate fountain of youth for seniors over 60. To understand why this secret is changing everything, you first have to look at the hidden trap almost every senior falls into without knowing it. When most people feel their legs getting weak, they try walking longer distances or doing light cardio. But here is the terrifying truth. Walking on weak legs actually accelerates joint wear, grinds down your knee cartilage, and leaves your balance completely vulnerable. So, what is the single movement that rebuilds your legs, protects your knees, and locks in rock-solid balance? It isn't a fancy gym machine. It doesn't require any equipment, and you can do it right next to your kitchen counter. It's called the sit-to-stand chair squat with heel drive, and the way it reprograms your nervous system will shock you. When you perform this movement correctly, something extraordinary happens inside your body. Instead of stressing your joints, it isolates your posterior chain, the exact muscle group responsible for keeping you upright, steady, and independent. But here is the catch. 90% of people do this exercise completely wrong, unknowingly putting dangerous pressure straight into their lower back and knees. Here is the exact step-by-step secret to doing it safely right now. First, find a sturdy dining chair and sit near the front edge. Place your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart, and slide your heels back slightly until they are directly beneath your knees. Now, before you stand up, stop. This next second is where the entire magic happens. Instead of leaning forward and rushing up, cross your arms over your chest. Take a deep breath, brace your core, and drive 100% of your power down through your heels. As you rise, feel your glutes and hamstrings explode with energy, lifting your entire body effortlessly into a standing position. Squeeze your glutes at the top for just 1 second, and then slowly lower yourself back down over 3 full seconds until your glutes lightly touch the seat. Do not just drop into the chair. That slow descent is the exact moment your brain builds brand new balanced neural pathways. If you have knee pain, do not worry. There is a cheat code. Simply place a firm pillow on the chair to raise the height. This reduces the joint angle, eliminating pain completely while still giving you 100% of the muscle-building benefits. If you practice just 10 slow, controlled repetitions of this movement every single morning, within 14 days, your legs will feel noticeably lighter, your morning stiffness will disappear, and you will walk with an unshakable confidence you haven't felt in years. So, are you ready to pause the clock and reclaim your strength? Hit that subscribe button right now, tap the like button, and drop a comment below telling me how many reps you did today. I'll see you in tomorrow's routine.